Hello, this is Miss Sam. May I speak to Trump's where's our wife? Where's first lady? The first pinup lady of the United States? Yes. I'll hold. Okay. Thank you. Hey, watch the ride. People, watch the ride. Hello? Yes. This is Trump's wife. Yeah? This is Miss Sam. Yeah, you've heard about me, really? Oh, I hope it's good things. But really, me not care what you hear about me. Matter of fact, everything you hear about me are true. Yes. Anyway, the reason why I want to talk to you. The way you did dress at your husband in the argument. Now get me wrong, the dress nice and the color nice. Me'll give you that at least. But missus, you're maga like a dog. You not eat food. Trump not feed you. Your husband will have many restaurants. You can't name one. Can't you eat at one of his local restaurants and put on some weight, bitch? Yes, that's my boy. And another thing, your hair should have been dyed black, jet black for elegancy and class, or it should have been blonde. Huh? Your hair look like a raccoon ass. Yes, brown and with blonde patch and it not look good. Huh? And if your head not hang good, mama's the first lady, you tell me your stylist couldn't tell you if you wear a little hat? Lord of mercy, Jesus, pilot me or what is? And I hear them say you used to model. Anyway, you used to model, but you never used to wear no clothes. Titty out the door, body out the door, pum out the door. Lord Jesus, everything. You know, I'm not ashamed, girl. No wonder you look so awkward at the prayer breakfast, Lord Jesus. You should be the first one in line to prayer. And let me tell you something, what kind of speech that you give? I wouldn't even call it a speech, a little introduction. What Trump teaching you? You're a clone? May I start wondering if you're a clone because you can't talk properly? Must Michelle Obama do everything and show you everything? You have to copy Michelle Obama's speech. Don't you think people's listening? Lord, what school you got to, ma'am? Because I know them can't find the records of what university you went to. It must have been Trump University to write it, which don't have no credentials. Oh, Jesus, what is America coming to? Tell me, girl. Locks, man. You cannot ever step into Michelle Obama's shoes, and your husband definitely cannot step into Barack Obama. Yeah, they have class. You don't even have ass. Lord Jesus. No, mommy, I have to go find myself in a prayer. I'm fasting for America for the next 40 days and 40 nights, because right now it don't look good. It don't look good. Can you talk proper English? And then your husband will talk about him got build wall for the Mexican. He better build wall for himself. He need to fly you out back to the country where you come from. You need to be deported. Because oh Lord Jesus, something wrong here. They must work or be upon America. Lord of mercy, somebody working some witchcraft or something. What a race is this? And I sell on the soul for the White House. Lord of mercy. Girl, you can't even give a speech. You can't even stand next to Michelle Obama at all. Number one, you can't dress like her. Number two, you're not pretty like her. I don't care, you're ugly to me. You understand? You don't have no class. You don't have no self-etiquette. Huh? You don't have no self-confidence like Michelle Obama. Let me tell you, you can't walk a mile in her shoes. You don't even know what to say at the prayer breakfast. Poor thing. We will fight and we will win. And I'm glad to be our first lead. You don't even know proper English. Fireball, man. Gee, how you know if you don't take off your clothes and smile and nod? You fight to that true. That's true. You think so? You're abused woman, you know. Trust me. Me think so. I really think so. He might abuse you. Me can tell by body language, yes. He used to abuse you. Really? See there though. See, me and you become friends with. Talk to me. You don't have nobody to talk to? Talk to me, Sam. Talk to me, girl. Talk to me. Me will fix that out for you, because you know not to mess with me. Anyway, girl, may I have a little coffee? Really? He used to fill you up, but you're scared to tell anybody. That's how he got you. Me know, man. Listen, all them dark secrets gone. You can confide in me, you know, First Lady. You can confide in me. Yes, no, I wasn't saying anything to you. Yeah. Well, I have things to do right now, but you can call me again. Yes, you can call me about Thursday this week. Yeah, ma'am, I'm not saying nothing to nobody, ma'am. I'm not saying nothing to nobody. All right. Okay, darling. Bye. Lord Jesus, people, you hear this? The man used to abuse his wife before she became his wife. He used to bully her and feel her up. Lord Jesus, hold on a minute. Let me see if we can get Hillary. Wait till Hillary gets a hold of this. Hello? Hillary. Take the glasses for this one. Hillary. You're not going to believe who me speak to just a little while ago. The clone first lady. Yes. The waist first lady. The pin-up first lady in the United States. Girl, she tell me some things about Donald, you see. Newsflash. Wait till America hear about this, cause me not keep my mouth quiet. Me a gonna reveal everything that they bitch there, let me tell you. Yeah. It used to bully her, feel her up, everything. Just as she feel her in that post, she just have to smile and nod. But she said she needs somebody to talk to her. She like my style, because everything she want to tell her husband, me tell him. Cause she afraid of him. Yeah. Hillary. Me I go find out more, you know, and me I go scandalize him, Ross. I need to shoot them, impeach him, Ross, same time. Anyway, me have to go. Listen, tomorrow me talk to you and tell you more, yeah?
Boop Rankings Kobochi I represent for Miss Sam Entertainment Show. She a go tell you everything where she know, cause she is the star of the show. She is the star, don't you know? She's so funny, she's so sweet. She have a lot of fans and right to her feet. She is the star of the show. She is the star, don't you know? She full of eyes and she keep it real.